Josh's gonna make some funny edit with that, I'm sure. So guys, as I said earlier, this campaign is literally testing out all of our products, trying to find which products are good, which ones are not. So there's gonna be different products in here, right? There's gonna be products that make us money, there's gonna be products that break even, there's gonna be products that even lose us money. So our goal is here to get rid of all the bad products, which all we do really, really simple, is bad. So all the bad products, all we do is exclude them. That's it. We're done with them. No more. Break even. So for this part, it's kind of up to you. Most of the time, if we're just breaking even, we'll do some tweaks on our website to see if there's some room for us to become profitable. Or if you don't want to waste time, if you're just like, screw this, I'm just trying to find the winners here, you can just exclude these as well. All right, so we're trying to be as efficient as possible. We're not spending time on products. We're not trying to make them winners. We're trying to just identify the winners and scale them. So I'm gonna right over here, because I'm gonna write a few things on the bottom. So these are, I'm gonna call these the winners. The winners are the products that make us money. These are the products that put us in profit and are the ones that we really wanna go deeper into, optimize these, find ways to scale this to the moon. So winners are just products that are making you profit. These winners, optimize, scale, these are ones that are making us profit. So how do we optimize? How do we scale? Goes into the next section. Guys, this is getting a little crazy here, but just bear with me, because at the end, it makes, this is where the magic happens, all right? So we're gonna do something that we call an SPC. This is a specific product campaign, okay? So we have this general testing campaign, or testing general campaign, or however you wanna call it, a testing campaign that has all of our products in here. Once we identify the winners, so these guys are bad. Bad, exclude, break even, get rid of that. All right. Once we find the winners, our sole purpose here is to optimize and scale them. So what we want to do is create a specific product campaign for that product. And what that allows us to do is we can now do these things that we're saying up here. We can optimize and scale. And how do we optimize and scale? This gets super nitty gritty, okay? So there's bids that we can play with, budgets as well, budget. We can do location. We can do mobile versus desktop. We can do scheduling. The specific product campaign allows us to do all these things, okay? This and probably even more that I just can't even think of. But basically what it does, it lets us adjust the bids, the budget, the location, the mobile, desktop, scheduling, negative keywords, all that good stuff. So we can really dial this in. Our goal here is to scale this to the moon. So that takes care of the technicalities. Now guys, think about this. When you're running a business, right? You start making money over here, right? Because now you have a winning product, you found your winner, you're adjusting bids, you're changing locations, you're optimizing all this good stuff, negative keywords. Is it doing better on mobile? Is it doing better on desktop? Does it work better on Mondays, on Tuesdays? For some reason, craps the bed, the product doesn't sell, we're adjusting all these things. So this lets us adjust all these metrics, and now we start making money. We start making good money, all right? So we start making, for each one of these SPCs, we start making $100, $200, that's profit, okay? $200, maybe even $300. We start making money on all these campaigns. And we're making a bunch of campaigns, right? So for every single product that's a winner, we're making a specific product campaign for that product. So $100, $200, $300, we're making money now. What do we do with this money? Don't go to the club, don't go pop bottles, don't go waste this on, I don't know, whatever, like Gucci belt. That's not what this is about. Our goal isn't just to make a quick $300 and that's it, get a Gucci belt. Oh, we're happy now. That's not our goal here. Our goal is wealth, building a business, having this grow, having this whole entire system grow. So what happens? What's driving the money here? What's making us get more specific product campaigns, what's allowing us to scale this? Simple, guys. There's two main things here that whenever we're doing good, we're throwing money right back into this. This is one of them. The testing campaign. What's our budget on the testing campaign? How fast can we test? How fast can we find winners? That's what we're reinvesting in. We're dumping it right back into there. Now, what's the next thing? What's the next thing that we can reinvest into the business? How do we expedite this process? Right here, guys. Over here. Right here. The VAs. Upwork, Fiverr. Hire more people. A little trick of the trade. Whenever we have VAs, we already have a bunch of VAs. But when we have our first VAs, what we do is, we go back on Upwork or Fiverr and tell them, hey, let me go look for more? Because all these people you kind of have to train. We tell our VAs, hey, do you know someone who would be willing to work for us? They already know how to do this stuff. They can teach them how to get to there. So they say, yeah, I actually have a friend that, they'd be super down, they're super tech friendly, like super tech oriented. They're really friendly. They're great with communication. I'll bring them in. That holds your VAs accountable. And on top of all that, you're getting somebody who, is gonna enjoy. You're building a team, okay? So we tell our VAs, do you know anyone who can do this for us? Yeah, they're super excited. Get some motivated because now they're working with someone else that they know. Probably paying them around the same. We're investing in here. This marker is dying. We're investing in here. So, guys, the two main things, we're making profit from these SPCs and we're reinvesting the money into our testing campaign, into our VAs. Bumping budgets, hiring more VAs, the whole system grows, and that's the Google Cash Machine. Keep rinse and repeat until you make it to wherever you want to get to, honestly.
Does it feel good?
Thank you guys for watching. Really enjoyed sharing this information with you guys. If you guys really enjoyed this, make sure you go down to the comment section below. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know what helped you, what didn't. If you have any questions about the material, we can do more videos like this. And yeah, this is to help you grow, become a better person. And we want to do that in whatever way we can. So guys, wishing you success and blessings. Let's get it today. Crush it. Peace.
There we go. You got him in.